Here is the solution of chatbot version 2, the problem of SoloLearn and C++ course. Using the functions or the concept of functions, we solve this problem. So we are just to complete the course and get the certificate, so we have to solve this problem. So we will design chatbot, simple, very simple chatbot. So simply there is a function put which takes two parameters, one integer called mood and the string called name. The given code takes the values for the arguments as input from the user and passes them to the bot function. Modifies the bot function to take the given two parameters and generate the output using the following logic. ايه هو اللوجيك دوت؟ In case of one, output should be welcome النيم فلان يعني, where name is the parameter value. If case 2 يبقى it gives goodbye يا فلان. If mood has any other values than 1 or 2, it will give him try again. So here we are calling the function. So we should modify the function definition to accept mood with name m and n, okay, which n is integer, so this int, and m is a string. Okay. طبعا this function is not returning any because it starts with void, will not return in, but it will out. So if n equal 1, طبعا 2 equals here 1, what will happen here? Open, هيكون سي اوت print يعني sum a this welcome فلان يعني سي اوت welcome. طبعا ديت تكون هنا وهنا كوما وهنا النيم اللي هو الان يعني. اوكي, بعد كده هنا سيمي كول. بعد كده else there is another condition, else هنشيك بقى على ايه اللي هو لو كان n equal to, بقفل بعد كده بفتح تاني هنا وهينفذ اللي هنا. طبعا هنفذ كده يبقى سي اوت واللي هي جود باي. طبعا هنا في امبرساند, الامبرساند دي برضو لازم تيجي, مش تبقى عارف يعني لازم الامبرساند دي تيجي معانا. طبعا else، عشان else هيدا في if else see out try again see out try again. So here we are accept the mode and the name, and we send them mode and the name. Mode for M, so this is M here, M. Okay, let's try. If there is any error, we will modify this program according to missing closing presses after if and else if statements, and missing a semicolon after the else statements. Fix by adding. Okay, so there is some errors here, syntax error, we will fix them. So this is if, and we close here, and then we have else here. So else if see out by and here column. And this is void else see out. Let's run. Here this case is there's some error. شوف welcome QWERTY. I think this is try again, and this one try again, and this is welcome Bob. I think here there's space, welcome Bob. Let's make some modification, comma, and here comma, and let's try again, and this comma, let's try again. The comma operator should not be used to concatenate strings. Use the insertion D to add the combined strings in C++. Set error. So goodbye, comma, So this is the output. There is a space here. So it's very simple to put a space. Space where after this comma. Space. After the comma, put a space. Here, space. Now it will work. Nice. We complete the lesson.